Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Citroen C4 Space Tourer on a 70 plate, as you can see. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot area of the vehicle first of all. As you can see, the tailgate on this car opens electronically. As we approach the back of the car, you can also see reversing sensors and that it's a 7-seat vehicle. The 2 rear seats here are folded down at the moment so that you can see how much boot space you'll have as a 5-seater. You can, of course, fold down those remaining 3 seats as well and pull these seats up from underneath here as well, should you wish to do so. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car. And then we'll hop in, and as I mentioned, we'll run through some controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, firstly you can see the alloy wheels are in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the entire way around the vehicle. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the steering wheel controls just here. So behind the steering wheel, you can see the gear selector for the automatic gearbox. So all you need to do is move this down to the relevant position. So reverse, neutral, drive, and then a manual mode at the bottom. And then park is just there. You can change gear manually with this plus and minus paddle should you wish to, but otherwise it's a fully automatic gearbox. Backing out to the steering wheel next, we have cruise control, speed limiter over on the left hand side here. We have our stereo and phone controls on the right hand side. Into the center of the car, the first of 2 screens. Over on the right hand side we have a digital readout for your speedometer. It will show you what gear the car is in, so park at the moment. We have on the left hand side our trip computer, rev counter on the far left hand side, and at the bottom on that left hand side the total miles for this car. They are 37,592, and the fuel gauge just to the right hand side of that. We have our second screen just here. So this is a screen that you can access, well, firstly, as you can see, your climate control. So we've got dual zone climate control. You can adjust your driver and passenger temperature, your fan speed, and the direction you'd like the air distributed in. And we've got all of these other screens available to us as well. So we're on the climate control screen there at the moment. We can access our satellite navigation. We can access our media, so our music options in the car. This car's got the radio, so DAB, AM and FM radio, USB input, iPod input, and Bluetooth audio as well. So loads of ways to listen to your music. We can pair our phone. Also over on this left-hand side, we can connect up Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. So loads of ways to listen to music in this vehicle. We've also got a full color reversing camera. So when you put the vehicle into reverse, you'll see that that appears up on your top screen just there as well. Working our way down, we have the electronic handbrake deadlock, so you can lock and unlock the car doors. This car's got autonomous parking, so hit that button, choose what kind of parking maneuver you want to do. The car will then assess space sizes for you as you drive along, and it will take control of the steering element for you. This section opens up to reveal plenty of storage. It's also where you'll find your USB input, for example. Loads of storage through the middle here, 2 cup holders as well, and this massive storage bin through the middle of the front seats. Last thing I wanted to mention is the panoramic glass roof. So we have a sun blind that you can open up to the back of those rear seats. The glass section itself is fixed in place, but as you can see, it lets in a huge amount of extra light to this cabin area. And at the front of the car, we can extend the kind of section here, if you like, to give you even more light coming in through that windscreen. The last thing I wanted to talk about is the paperwork we have for the vehicle. So in the envelope here is the spare key, so of course 2 keys in total, the V5 registration document showing that it's a 1-owner car from new, plenty of service documentation below that which we'd be more than happy to run through in person with you or on a video call. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. Similarly, we'd be more than happy to do a live bespoke video tour if you'd like that as well.